So here's everything that I will be using today. I have a can of mackerel, 1 green onion, got 3 potatoes, about a third of yellow onion, just about a tablespoon gochugaru, and a teaspoon chicken bouillon powder. Over here I have a tablespoon of gochujang, hot pepper paste. In the pot I already put a couple leaves of this beautiful aged, so flavorful kimchi. So let's prepare the vegetables first. Just a rough chop and into the pot. With the green onion, I want to save green parts for garnish. So I'm gonna go ahead and roughly separate. And into the pot. The potatoes are quite small. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut in half and keep the skin on because it's more tasty. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. You can alternatively use Korean radish in this dish too. One more step I would like to do. If your kimchi is also like this long, you can cut it in more of a bite-sized pieces. Now we're ready. I can't wait. I love kimchi so much. So the pot is on high heat. I'm starting with 0 heat. I'm gonna go ahead and add a drizzle of sesame oil. So I started with a 0 heat. So now it came to a little bit of a sizzle. Just toast kimchi to basically wake up a color a little bit and soften up the onion just slightly. It's totally optional. Going in with potatoes and then the mackerel with all of the canned liquid. Very important. Now I'm going to add water right into this can to make sure I get all of the remainder. Add water to the top. Going in with gochujang, gochugaru, and chicken bouillon. When it comes to a boil, I'm going to lower the heat to simmer, cover, and we got 20 minutes to go. So in a matter of 20 minutes, this simplicity turned into this amazing, heartwarming dish. The potatoes are soft. Mackerel. This kimchi is amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I wish you nothing but the best.